Following its success at the recently concluded Lok Sabha election, the Voice of the People party held a meeting today at Smit ground which witnessed the presence of thousands of its supporters. Newly elected MP from Shillong parliamentary seat, Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkon expressed his gratitude to God, the electors and VPP President Adan Basayomoy. Sinkon termed Basayomoy as a father figure for the party. VPP President Adan Basayomoy said that the Lok Sabha victory was possible due to unity amongst the tribal community, maintaining that unity will bring security. He said that it was necessary for the party to thank the public first and then leave for Delhi.
Ingin saya Delhi meleleh. Balingi dan kejinget ke baskem. Bangin la ban pengela. Ya kani keri ke keji. Ban ai kata keji syan keji kemen ni kejat berbalai. Kumnung inut. Nama rengi dan kejinget om haladi. Rengi nget hau play ubami syakri.
The social welfare